The next topic I'd like to cover is output in printing. This is very important and we will be doing this a lot in this video. In Python, there's a simple function called print. This is how you output something to the console when you run your program. Typically, when you print something, you'll put it in strings. So I want to print, say, hello world. So I will print the string hello world like that. And if I run my program by pressing this run button, you can see down here in the console, we get hello world. Now, if you want to print multiple things, what you can do is separate them by commas. So say I'd like to print 4.5, and then I would like to print hello. When I do this, it will automatically add a space between the two things. Let's just put another string here just to show you what I mean. So 4.5 hello, notice it adds that space in between. Now there's a few arguments that you can pass into the print function. If you do a comma and then type end equals, you can denote what you want the end of this print statement to be. By default, the end here is a carriage return, which is \n. What that means is go to the next line after this line is printed. Now notice if I don't add this \n, or in fact, let me just show you what happens by default. So let's say I have hello and 87. I'm going to get rid of this. And I print both these things out. We get these on two separate lines. That is the default behavior of the print statement. It prints on a new line. Now notice if I add end equals, and instead of a \n, let's say this pipe like that, and I run this, now at the end of the print statement, it simply prints a pipe. It does not add the carriage return, which means we do not move on to the next line. That's a little bit more advanced, but essentially the carriage return is that \n, and again, that means just move down to the next line. That is the basics of printing and output.